Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Students, today we are going to start poem 1, The Ant and the Cricket. So let's see the poem. Okay students, so let's start the poem, The Ant and the Cricket. So you all are knowing what is ant and what is cricket. Ant means an insect and cricket is also a insect. Here in this poem students, the poet has given the characters to the insects. Yes, it's a fable. Fable means a moral story and the character given to the animals or to the insects. So here in this poem, let's see what is given and what is the moral we all are getting from this poem. And you all are knowing that cricket, it's an insect, and here we are talking about the cricket in a proper way, properly what he does and what he likes to do and all these things. So let's start the poem. A silly young cricket accustomed to sing. A silly young cricket, a foolish cricket who likes to sing. ठीक है? Through the warm sunny month of gay summer and spring. When it's summer, when it's warm, at that time he like to sing, and when it's spring, at that time also he likes to sing. So he sings, and his hobby is to sing. He began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Now what happened in the sunny days, in the warm weather and in the spring, what he has done, he has only sung and sung. Okay? He has only sung, so he has not done anything. So just because of that, what happened students? His cupboard was empty. His cupboard was empty means there was nothing to be eat. He is not having anything to be eat. So his cupboard was empty and winter was come. What happened now? Uske cupboard empty tha bachcha, and then after what was there? Winter has come, and there is a winter. Everywhere there is a snow and snow. There is no leaf, no food to be eat, no flowers. So just because of that, what happened? Not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground. Not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Now there is no crumb, it means roti का एक टुकड़ा तक नहीं था खाने के लिए. Not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground. Everywhere there is a snow. Not a flower could he see. Even there is not a single flower he can see where there is no snow. Not a leaf on a tree, and there is no leaf on the tree because due to the snow they all have fallen down. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? Ab mera kya hoga? What will become of me? What I have to do? What will be my work now? I will be not able to eat anything now. So next stanza. At last by starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. Now what happened? He thought if he will not eat, then what will happen? He would die because of starvation. मतलब भूख के वजह से he will die. Starvation and famine, अकाल की वजह से. Now at last he did courage and he went out in a cold shivering weather. There was a rain, he become wet, he's having a cold with shivering. Away he set off to miserly ant. He went to the miserly ant. Miserly ant का मतलब होता है कंजूस. कंजूस ant के पास वो जाते हैं to see if to keep him alive he would grant. He wants to see that for his life, would the ant allow him to get a food, him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he will repay it tomorrow. Now what he said to the ant? He said that please grant me to come inside and to protect me from the rain, and give him some grain so that he can eat. And next what he said, he is not asking for a help, he is asking as a borrow, and he will give back to him after when there will be a warm days. ठीक है. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. What he said, if he will not get the food, then what will happen? He will die with the starvation and sorrow. दुख के कारण and भूख के कारण he will die. And then after, the next is given. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. Now what ant is replying to the cricket? Let's see to it. What the ant is saying to the cricket. It's a very amazing and interesting reply we can see here. What the ant says, he says that I am your friend and the servant as well. ठीक है? But we ants never borrow and we ants never lend. We ants never never get anything from anyone, and we never give also. ठीक है, हम ना लेते हैं ना देते हैं. Then after, but tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? What ant said to the cricket, that you have laid nothing, मतलब आपने कुछ नहीं रखा है. When there was a weather warm and there was a sunny days, what he replied, what cricket replied? Cured the cricket, no, I not. नहीं, मैंने नहीं रखा है. My heart was so light that I sang day and night. My heart was so light that I was very happy. So thus because of that I was singing day and night. For all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. Acha, you have done only singing, you said, right? Now you do one thing. Go then, said the ant, and dance the winter away. In the all summer and winter season, spring season, what you have done? You have sing whole day. So now winter, how you can get out? By the dancing. Ab jao aur jaake dance karo. Then thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. And in this, what written in it, that hurriedly, very urgently, he has closed the door and he has take out the wicket out. It means cricket को as a wicket बताया गया है. That what they have, what ant has done, ant has shut the door and went and told cricket to go from his place. ठीक है. Fox call this a fable. I will warrant it true. Many of the people are considering this as a folk, like it's a story. But I will warrant it that is true. Some cricket have 4 legs and some have 2. Now what they exactly this line means, when there is a summer days, when there is a good days we are having, at that time we are not keeping anything with us to protect us in a who give protect us in a future. But what we do, students, we whatever we are having in the good days, we spend all the things, and for a future we have to suffer a lot. We are not thinking about our far reaching significance. We are thinking about only present. Many of the things that we are having, we are not thinking about our future, what will be happen. Whatever time we are having right now, we just spend it out, and for future we will see. But that is not true. We have to keep something, and we have to keep something for our future, for our security. That if something happened at that time, we will carry it. We will not. We don't have to suffer anything then. As you can see in this situation in the COVID-19, we are facing a lots of problem just because we have not saved our money. We have not saved many things that we have required now. So I request you all, take this as a true, as the poet is taking it, and this is taken from adopted from the Aesop's fables. Fine. It's a very interesting poem, students. It gives us a good moral that we have to secure for our bad days. We hope it won't, we will never face any bad days, but the fortune is not in our hand, the destiny is not in our hand. So we have to secure whatever we are having now, just save it out and take it as a not take it as a granted, take it as a properly what we require, what we want in the future. So don't take anything granted, take it as a difficult. ठीक है? I hope you all have understood this poem. Bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.